Are you ready to hear how a tiny lamb outsmarted a big bad wolf? This is gonna blow your mind. Once upon a time, there was a mischievous little lamb. His mum always warned him, "Don't go into the forest, it's dangerous." But one day, the lamb wandered too far and found a spring to drink from. Suddenly, a hungry wolf appeared. "Why are you dirtying my water?" growled the wolf. The lamb replied, "But the water flows from you to me." The wolf, wanting an excuse, shouted, "You're the lamb who insulted me last year." "But I wasn't even born then," squeaked the lamb. Just as the wolf was about to pounce, the lamb heard woodcutters nearby. Quickly, the clever lamb kept talking to the wolf, stalling for time. And guess what? The woodcutters arrived, scared the wolf away, and saved the day. The lamb rushed home and promised his mum he'd never wander into the forest again. And that